Hey there, fellow tech wizards. Welcome to my channel, where we're about to embark on a mission to liberate those trapped HEIC photos. You know, those mysterious images that your Windows laptop handles as if they were written in an alien language no one's ever deciphered. But wait, before you dive into the Microsoft Store, ready to whip out your credit card for the HEVC video extensions, let me be your financial savior. I'm here to show you how to transform those HEIC pics into glorious JPEGs, all without spending a single cent. I'm here to show you how to transform those HEIC pics into glorious JPEGs, all without spending a single cent. First, open your web browser and go to https://www.iloveimg.com/convert-to-jpg. Yeah, that's right, we're going on a wild online adventure, folks. You'll need to upload your precious HEIC photo to this website. If that sounds like a deal breaker, then turn back now. But if you're feeling adventurous, stick with me. Select your HEIC masterpiece, give it a wink, and then click on Convert to JPG. After a few moments of suspense, your transformation is complete. Go ahead and download that JPG image. Ta-da! You've just witnessed digital magic. But hold on, you say, what if I've got a whole army of HEIC photos? Fear not, my friend, because you can actually upload up to 30 of these bad boys at once. That's right, we're breaking the rules. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I want the VIP treatment. Well, you can sign up for a premium account. For a mere $7 per month or $48 per year, you can be part of the elite HEIC to JPG conversion club. But personally, I'm okay with just 30 at a time. Call me old school. But wait, there's more. Let me show you that you can indeed convert a whopping 30 HEIC photos in one go. Just give it a couple of minutes for the mystical upload and transformation process to work its wonders. After a short coffee break, you'll be able to download your converted JPGs neatly tucked away in a compressed zip file. Unzip that treasure trove, and voila, your JPGs are now free to roam your device. So, there you have it, folks. The secret HEIC to JPG conversion recipe, free of charge and packed with a little digital adventure. Stay tuned for more tech hacks, and remember, your wallet can breathe easy today.